magnitude of victory John Mahama winning a lot of expectation. State of nation the constitution prescribed for it, Article 67. Say as a president be at the beginning of parliament and at the end of the parliament, a shall command the state of the nation. Now, the state of the nation, I think a report now could you catch the state of the nation. So Ghana for so many Juma. Ghana for say economy in Ghana for so much in or medication some or my health and some and the president Mahama. Banana media or a politician, I will somehow disagree with you. Say, okay, problems and one. But I mean, I expect a solutions. Oh, just a problem. No, I'm solutions are only BBM.
But I'm just asking. I don't have a problem to. I'm just saying, say, me yare, me tia me ya, minim, and I'm see winning. And now no be kaya MPP time me try for ni be say. MPP for me who say emfansa wo ne oba nete oba ne say ni kunu no ebo no o ma na duane ndi nti wo ba wo behwe ne yi wo je oba na wo de wo bo no ma kom de no asa to ni punum o ti ase so I ask the question say nti wo your oba no na wo free sa kunu mu a wo be ko wachi
David
anasa obede
unya abeko manana unse the challenge of our political system is that na unse wo hwe no ideally that's what they're supposed to do but we are politicians isn't na wa start set up tone na wa said that say cabinet no koye or say MPP has criminally handled the economy or the BB two trim and instead of nation or yeah what that and it is somehow some of the indicators for example share that to GDP kodwanya papa yes, change rate over 20%. But could you so kai Ghana for because we are politicians. Now could you that is the ideal situation. Solutions.
But that is our job to let people know. Say you can so trajectory.
I agree with you, but I'm saying that I don't know. That's why I come and agree with you more that there should be solutions. The monetary policy of the Bank of Ghana or Kwajebe about 27%. So I come see trade and I Jubilee more diagnosing the problem. No, Sana I bet it's at 27%, no so about 19%, about 18%. San your core bank will bet me Ajebe be in the drama afank for Juma. Because so I give you. I think that he should identify the problems, but he should give solutions.
But when are people and this is for NTS say as so how do you identify when you don't know the problem? But I'm just saying, say we know the problem. John Mahama knew the problem.
Yes.
It took us and say how do we at said they has a problem I feel na wo ba be hu.
Nana some manifesto
knows the problem.
Nana, even the party manifestos, how do they set up manifestos? They set manifestos because of the problems identified, and the manifestos prescribe solutions.
And so why we going
yes. No, but I'm saying that the State of the Nation Article 67, it gives the president the room to give the state of the country. Listen,
and that's what
so the state of the country is what he has inherited. So for me, moving from there and establishing the state of the country, he must establish the state he wants to lead us to. So I agree, there must be a preamble. It's a problem, Nini. But the majority pay here, me say 14.7% has been here to for unemployment and all the back saying. Ejuma sana be criminal what I say. So it shouldn't just be about criminally handling the economy. Because when you are criminal handle na asase and tomam. Obet me aye.
And as your warning will say next year.
Yes.
In fact, in share from consistently.
Yes.
And maybe me busa say John Mahama obey den. So be kaya.
Yes.
Na nkofonti ase me say John Mahama ye nim problem no. Enti se wonim se wuntimi nya memma.
Wonim se honorable Eric Opoku eba yi o church mu agree se koko nua kresi wo sese no yaton. Enti e chance be ka chem se koko ni nko ye bi ko dua yaton aminim dada. You see but in fact Nana,
you see, I agree with you, and another challenge is that kaya. Okay, EI report now. Sometimes your listeners not say EI is a mama baby na and no the call. I won't say details no. And I can EI report on economic intelligence. You know, I'm John Hamani and this be. Normally, research no 3 times. Anytime when research one predicts at the NDCB, then I don't come say NDC impo wini say baumia winia the economy in the new year no be drama baby. And I know why. Currently, Nana ya wabesi and say yetuya ya diakoye nimu. Besi ya diakoye nimu. In fact, Nana Osha and the Kufuado, yet media about 60% of your besia ya jeje nana etuya besia. Any etuya Ghana abaya juma ye foka. So there's no room for the government to really do anything. That is where Nana we need a lot of innovative thinking. In governance, and one and I expect the state of the nation. Mahama must have that confidence. And no idea, but now I'm for under play. Labour meeting Okobi last year under President Kufuor, remember a picture. Yeba Labour, and see people are not looking at what Mahama is doing. Nana had a remember just a quick picture. 2013 Labour base pay, yeah, 17% they can't home. 2014 15%, 2017 Kufuor 10%, 2020 11%, 2021 6%, 2022 8%, 2023 10%, 2024 24%. Mahama want 10%. What is Obi Kasa? What's the difference? The difference is that when Mahama went into that meeting, he was able to explain to them. Baby, I'm a book Labour for no Jimmy for Sabe. So they understood from 24% to 10%. Why?
Yeah.
So the president and his finance minister walk into the meeting. Chamai, me book wasn't another transfer news car. We're trying to mobile money by 100 cedis. Was minimum 50. Nana bet me. So what the president doing? The president showed Labour the state of the nation. But Nana, oh yes, I don't hear the speech. No say, me only 10 in there. And here my year. And on Ghana for being here state of the nation. After you showed us the book, you must give us solutions. Nana, no president Kufuor do baby and I before woman. Because I say after 7 years, John Mahama. What about 2 months? The Oya Kufuor the Etiasio. Banana, the next state of the nation, the Oya Kufuor. Ghana phone bus at your style be. It's a 2 months. The Oya state of the nation have said. I agree because Nana, John Mama Bonye Bibia, 2 months. And the soft 120 days now. Mate committee or education committee. And my MF appointment 30. But I crowd they say Wabuso cabinet. Those are the soft things. But the real governance, you are just 2 months. A 2 months state of the nation, I say criminally handled that. I may you to you fine. But Nana after Sadano. Bibi catching me so President Mahama must have at the back of his mind say state of the nation are a solution oriented women development bank in a mother bena bank neighbor.
Okay.
Asafuma I don't know your cold store I don't know Eugene because when you say Kufuor am to no tuti for the first time na Shanti read you had what 7 seats 33% not even Rollins Rollins or in all his glory 32%. And to a 33, Obano walk crow from market. No, I shall say, KJTF phase 2 now, regional minister Senebon, it was state of the nation. Now, what I say, so that is what we are expecting. You for now, on your Juma and a kind of 24-hour economy. No? In the state of the nation, after so I can say, Kufuor jar unemployment of 14.7%. You free a Kufuor jar way, dear, and number 2, and correct. But my catcher passport office say, yeah, before the 50 come passport to the Bible call 11, Bible call 12. That is what we need. Solution driven. And to say industry was made by industrial growth, I say. One day one for no man ye. It's Elizabeth Jariakasa, Tiobodom, Yebesi Pepper Factory, Amamo. Yes, that is what the Ghanaian need. Because the state of the nation is not just about problems and an anakano. It's about the solutions. And Kojo, Mr. President Bia before the last 4 months research by now Kojo research then Human Development Index, 3 issues, housing, jobs, rules. Afrobarometer, economy, rules, education, health, jobs. All the researchers said that. Now, in fact, your Ghana for almost 8 million, they are multidimensionally poor. Radio settlement, baby, on proper bicycle, we need. So, on no could state of the nation, he needs solutions. So, I agree. Now, a politician or by a problem. So, I say, Bamian Sokasa. I say, Bamian Sokasa. When the refuse or also no can criminally handle on the Bubi. But what's the choice of Kasa? So I agree, Mahama. Nana say politics. I agree.
No, but you see, I get it. I'm not disagreeing with you. But you see, it is our responsibility
to remind them.
The man MPP for ni yenya problem. No mususu say ye NDC for ne say yenya bre na ye break ya mankofo hu say de na na Kufuor do ye no enye. And many people feel say, oh NDC buy the as but ye what time are you striking? Yeah, baby, I drew wo Ghana. Baby, I'm catching for baby, I drew e wo Ghana e wo multimedia no. Me share mo bo ene ye share mo bo. No political party na be fa ne ho adi. And Nhyira John Mahama na nim say Eugene. Nhyira Mahama na nim say enya dia ye platform so ye be so ne so. Nti e man warning catch ne say ontimi nya onyai. Say oya omiana no na onye. Donald Trump obviously too early. Donald Trump by only 1 month. Check the records. I think 20th wedding 1 month. 20th February. Donald Trump 1 month no. So what Donald Trump and I am one kind. Donald Trump the first night ye day 20th January na nyumre ena ode nneoma be gugu ho momfa mra metwam we mempene LGBT metwam sika we mintua
austerity measures
mo keka within 1 month and then America when we say president for fraba what you want now say 2 months say it's too early say I remember in 2017 March me criticize say Nana Akufo-Addo on the ministers no it's too early onto no bo say e dey na unim stomach journalist unim nyansa nchen Nana Akufo-Addo obehye oman ni ye Jo Mahama eje but me wonoma me hu no 10 years ankofo hu inti yera Jo Mahama wonim or respect me Jo Mahama otie me onim say asem bi ameka no it is for his well-being and I'm telling Jo Mahama say we are not interested in telling wo be ka kire ye na wo mu jesika no mu wie sika na enoma nko ye na me bie me books mu airtime ehi men kan kire me do it o de fa be kire state of the nation address no Akufo-Addo wie sika we enie kenoforiata ye be china tum because sa sika we na we ni say and I de ne be court no so any 2 years ya set say within 1 year no fast track court ebe ni ehun say wo ye adwuma na wo be gina ho be kekasa na otumi and afi ye busa say adenti na nya ya MPP for disika no ye kwan na de na nya ya MPP for phase 2 no adenti na aka MPP for ni sikanti ye guso munya ne ka Jo Mahama ye ni adwuma ye o MPP for ni ntimo de mo ma me Africa kra
na sama kakra no zera na wo ye na say transition no you have the books asama ke na mama jamba na transition period no Jo Mahama books on Ghana books e be match no but na let me break some today me no why down the budget na ninta me pay budget kind no I don't see hopes in budget na Ghana budget no a simple mass kojo Ghana ye taxes are ye gigi nyina no intimi ntua aban adwuma ye foka ye busia ya san kwaje jo amanfo mass ye friend service and amortization intimi ntua ka that is the state of our economy and here you catch us about me Mahama ntina na say kra no me Mahama and state of the nation and obey loans me dwane kakra because na your debt to GDP almost 80%. Now say your chance cut debt to GDP bro for can change and say o man ni dwapade e wo ye boy nyan ho bra na 100 cedis ye ti 80 cedi ne kotuaka na kodo ye nipa na kwasitwum tua woka na the 80% ne kotua besia na ka 20% on sama obey den didi. That is the state of our economy. All right. It's na solutions. Right na me come man for this manifesto no. Kojo mi say ma print you. Any short copy be your paper. Na no say reduce hardships. Me come man for. Mahama so obema ho ahenhan wo. It is state of the nation. As you ahenhan sam wo mu. 2, ensure macroeconomic stability. But for ka nyina che se nyama bo obeba fom. E be yeye. Sidi ni be yeye. Fu obeye yeye. Or say restore physical and debt sustainability. Yeah, more besian rough. Yeah, more besian me national cathedral. Yes. Yeah, more besian me national cathedral besian rough. Or say restore investor confidence. Koyo dan to wo sika ofan koto bank wo be bia adwuma.
Sanyoma we nyina ndisi for.
Yes, Nana manifesto say resetting the economy.
And say wo kan we chese winning problem.
Yes.
That's who say we are coming to fix it.
Nana, it's true. My investor confidence was down.
Not all the time investor confidence was down.
Yes, the petroleum sector no more. Osan say prioritize investments in productive sectors. Kodo manifesto 4 years yet be adwuma. Osan prioritize investment in productive sector. Kodo national cathedral in productive sector.
Okay. Ochina no wa kika ni nyina bom. Enye adwuma bi na mentimi bi line so quick comment.
Nana quickly Mahama quote no. Me quote no.